Starting with retro Barbie, I think this one's really easy. Any kind of black and white look and then pops of color, I think is really great for this one. I think this would be really cute if you had an oversized martini glass held in your hand, or maybe it's a little purse. For this one, you could just do a fun colored dress and put a whole bunch of bows all over you as well. I had to do this for my millennials, Scary Spice. It's just too easy and a lot of fun as well. The next one is silly and kind of lazy, but I love those type of costumes. Sports fan, get it? I know. Breakfast at Tiffany's. This one is always pretty easy to put together. I don't know why I didn't put my black sunglasses because that was really what she had on for the iconic look, but whatever. I wasn't thinking and I was rushing, but you get the idea. For the next one, a maxi dress or anything with leaves. It could be like palm print or whatever. It would be fun for Mother Nature and just have fun with the props as well. For this one, this is Queen of Hearts. I just pulled black and white pieces and those heart glasses I already had. But I would print or buy just a deck of cards and then stick those to your costume, and that's really easy. And I had to end with the iconic Hillary Banks. These are all looks that you can either pull stuff from your closet or thrift for. This is kind of my secret talent. So if you need more ideas on top of this, let me know, and maybe I can do a part two. Thanks for watching, and let me know your favorite in the comments. Bye.